I hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you all of the things I've been loving throughout June. Now I've got a really nice mix of things. I've got fashion, Lush, makeup, food, pretty much everything. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let me know down below what you've been loving throughout June. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy the video and carry on watching. So firstly, I'm going to start off with makeup favourites. The first one I'm actually wearing today, and that is the Revlon Colour Burst Lacquer Balm, and this is in the shade, I don't know, 135, and it's this beautiful red colour. Not gonna lie, I bought this ages ago. It is probably out of date, but it smells absolutely fine. I love this product. It's so glossy, so easy to wear, not sticky at all, and it looks really nice, I think anyway. I just absolutely love this, and I thought I would mention it in this video because I thought, do you know what? Somebody's gonna ask me what lip product I'm wearing and I will forget. So this is what it is. Absolutely love it, obsessed with it. Such a really good summer lip product as well because it's so easy to wear, it's creamy, it's lightweight, you can chuck it in your handbag, although I feel like it probably would melt because it is like a crayon consistency, so if you live in a hot climate, probably not the best to chuck in your handbag, I'm not gonna lie. My fragrance favourite of the month has been the Daisy Dream by Marc Jacobs. I have been really gravitating towards this a lot. I am slowly trying to go through my entire perfume collection, use them all up or throw them away because a lot of them are out of date, and I didn't realise that perfume went out of date. It does, really annoying. So I have been slowly but surely getting through everything, and this is one that I've been focusing on for the past month and a half. It smells so good. It's sweet, it's floral, it's fresh. Essentially every Marc Jacobs perfume I love, and they all have a very similar scent. They're very fresh, clean, floral. I guess if you had them all in a line they probably would smell different, but they all have that very similar fresh scent to me, and I love this. I'm about halfway through. I've been using it for about a month and a half, so hopefully in another month or so I should completely finish this up, which will be great. So yeah, loving this, definite favourite of the month, and I just love it, so nice. Next up, moving on to my food favourite. Now I don't always mention food favourites in these videos. I think it's mostly because I do forget to mention them, I don't know why, but my food favourite has been the Gillian chocolates. Now they don't look open, they are open, and I have eaten some, but Ryan actually bought these for me for our 1 year anniversary, which was on the 22nd, can't get my words out, 22nd of this month, and he knows that I love these, and I love these probably more than life itself. They are unbelievably delicious. I'll show you what they are. I feel like this is an excuse to eat one, but I am going to show you. So essentially, it's a chocolate, and it won't come out. It's telling me not to eat it, I know deep down, but this is what they look like. They're like little seashells. It's a chocolate, and it looks like that. It's like a little truffly thing. It's so good. If you've never tried these, sorry to eat with my mouth full. Oh. Honestly, this was a bad idea. Hang on. If you've not tried these are heaven. If you're allergic to nuts, do not eat these. They have hazelnuts in. However, if you're not allergic to nuts, check the ingredients, and if you can eat them, they're amazing. So 10 out of 10, favourite chocolate of all time. Happily could mention them in every favourites because they're that good. Amazing. My next favourite is a book favourite. Now if you guys have watched me for a long time, and I mean back in 2016, 2017, I used to read a lot, especially in that 1 year. I read probably 20 books or so, and I still have all the books. I absolutely love them. I will never get rid of them, I don't think, because I like having books. I think it's really nice, and I definitely could do a book favourites, so if you guys want one of those, let me know. But anyway, tangent over. Zoe, my friend, bought this book series because we both watched the films and we were obsessed, and I bought it and I'm now obsessed. So the films are After and After We Collided, which are both amazing films. The main character in it is unreal, and I was just like, oh, I really want to read the books, and my friend Zoe said the books have more detail, so you need to read them. So I went online, bought them straight away, and I'm absolutely obsessed. I'm not gonna lie, I am only about 100 pages in, but I'm so invested in this book now that I cannot put it down. I look forward to reading it, and I'm obsessed with it. I really wish that I had a holiday to go on because I could easily finish this in like 2 days, and it's so good. If you guys want a good book to read, I promise you, this is so good. Even if you haven't seen the films, just read this book because It's unbelievable and I'm so invested. Like, I love it. So 10 out of 10, definite book recommendations. If you guys want a book recommendations video, I will do one, but yeah, this is unreal. Honestly, if you want a good book to read, amazing. Next up, moving on to a fashion favourite. Now, you guys know I love Dr. Martens. It's no secret. I have a problem. I've still got another 5 pairs in my basket on the website, and I seriously think it's getting ridiculous now. So I have a problem. That's the step one, isn't it? Admitting you have a problem. A few weeks ago we had a mini heatwave in the UK, and me and Ryan and a few other people were heading to the beach, and I thought in my head, I was like, I don't have any sandals to wear to the beach, so I'm going to use this as an excuse to buy some new Dr. Martens. So I bought some Dr. Martens sandals. I think these are the Griffin, something like that. If you guys want to know, ask me. I will leave it down below if I remember. But these are really, really great. They are size 3, my size. I didn't size down, I didn't size up. They are the actual size of my foot and they fit like a glove. They are so perfect. I also wanted to go for a pair that had the normal kind of Dr. Martens sole, because a lot of the ones with the foam soles, I've heard a lot of people say they're not as good quality. So I wanted to go for these. They were £129, which is a lot for a sandal. Like, I'm aware it's actually disgusting, to be honest, but I can get rid of every other pair of disgusting sandals that I have because I have these and I love them, and I've worn them with jeans, I've worn them with a dress, I've worn them with skirt, I've worn them with a play suit. They go with everything. I love them so much and I am not mad about it. So these are what I have. I have 5 more pairs, like I say, in my basket, so somebody stopped me from buying them because it's like £900. Like, why? So much money. But yeah, love these, so cute, definite fave. And last but not least, our 2 Lush favourites. I am going to be doing a current Lush faves video very soon, but I wanted to share with you kind of a couple other things I've been enjoying. So the first one is the Love and Light hand cream. I'm not gonna lie, I love a hand cream all year round, but this one is my absolute favourite, I think, ever. Like, I love a Body Shop hand cream. I kind of wish this was in like the squirty kind of tubes. I would really much prefer it. But the Love and Light hand cream is full of neroli. It's so uplifting. The smell is just next level. It is slightly gardeny, which usually I wouldn't enjoy, but for some reason this just smells unreal. Let me just check the ingredients one sec. So this one is full of jojoba oil, cocoa butter, neroli, orange flower. It's so fresh, so citrusy. Unreal. So good. And last but not least is a product that I have mentioned in probably about 1 million of my videos by now, and that is the Twilight body spray. I'm not going to go in about this too much, but you guys know I absolutely love this product so much. I'm nearly run out, which is so upsetting, but I absolutely love it. Oh, it just smells like comfort. Like, it's so relaxing and just amazing. Like, I wish there was smell-o-vision because I'd really want you guys to smell this, but it's lavender, vanilla. It's so fresh, so light, but really relaxing at the same time. I love this. You know I love this. I'm not gonna lie, it is about £20 to £25, which is a disgusting amount to pay for a body spray, but I have had this body spray for a good few years and it's lasted me such a long time. Granted, obviously I don't use it every day. I don't always spray my clothes with it. I sometimes spray my bed sheets with it. It's just so good. So yeah, another favourite of the month, absolutely obsessed. So that is everything for my June favourites. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know down below whether you still enjoy these kinds of videos or whether you think they're done and dusted. I'd love to know, but yeah, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you on Sunday for another video. Bye guys!